A degree is thousands of things you understood once, and most of them leak away. Save this, today's thermo lecture. Entropy is energy dispersal, not disorder. And the prof hinted it's on the exam. Entropy isn't mess, it's energy spreading out. Nexsus files it under thermodynamics, on its own. Assignment, Fluid Mechanics Lab Report, due July 24th. Reading note, heat flows hot to cold because energy spreads into more available states. The same idea again. Why heat only ever flows one way, 10 seconds each between classes. A month in, this is the semester. A library, not a pile. Every note and every assignment by subject and dated. What's due in the next 2 weeks? Answered straight from the real assignments. The midterms first, 3 days out. Pull together everything I've got on entropy. It searches by meaning, finding the lecture note and the reading note that never once says entropy. Same idea, different words. The thermo exam is Monday and I've got 3 days. What should I focus on? It builds a plan from your own notes. Entropy first, then the laws, then Carnot. Lock it in as my study plan. And the plan itself becomes a record. I remember writing something about energy dispersal last term. Find it for my aero unit. Months on, it's still there. Nothing you learned is ever gone. Never forget, never waste, never repeat. Nexus, your whole education, remembered, and always one question away.